How to use Bluesky Social. So Bluesky Social is a decentralized social media platform designed as an alternative to X, which is Twitter. It allows users to share posts, photos, and videos just like whatever you can do on Twitter, you can exactly do here. But it's a open community. Nobody has a control over it. It's completely decentralized. Right now, how you have to just make an account. So you have to just go to the Bluesky here. To make an account, you have to just enter your email address and password. Right now, once you do this, you have to choose a handle. So handle is basically a username here, right? So let's go to the settings and go to the accounts, and this is handle. So handle, basically you can also add your domain if you have it, but right now I have already made my handle. But in your case, you can just write your handle and you will get this B Sky Social and save. So basically this will be my handle too. Let me show you up. Now this is my handle, so anybody can find me. Now you can upload a avatar, so your profile picture, right? And choose your interest from the list to help Bluesky tailor your feeds. Right now, the main feed display posts from account you follow, while the discover section showcase trending content and popular posts. Use the search bar to find specific account topics or hashtags. These features help you to connect with user, but as you can see here over your screen, just right now I was able to see my feed, but right now I'm not able to. There's some kind of error, even though if I just refresh my page, I okay, so now it's working, right? Because it's still in developing phase here and it's open community. Anybody can come up here. Now to post videos, images, anything, gifs or anything, just go and click on new post. There's a limit of 300 words. You can type here. You can add images and videos and gifs and everything, and just go and click on post. Right, this is a way to do it. You can customize who can interact with your post by selecting option to comment and quotes before posting. This is it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.